virulent gene also, okay, which is very important for the transfer of tDNA into the genome of plant cell. See here, schematic representation of typical octopoint type TI plasmid, okay, and the tDNA region of typical octopoint type TI plasmid. tDNA is divided into three regions: left border and tDNA center. TL is a tDNA left, TC is a tDNA center, and TR is a tDNA right, left, right, and center. Okay. It has a origin of replication also. It has a origin of replication also. Then after it has a cytokinin synthesis CYT gene, oxygen synthesis oxygen gene, okay, and synthesis of octopines and opines, okay, and agropine also. Here T region are definitely by tDNA are defined by tDNA border sequence, okay, tDNA border sequences. These borders are 25 base pairs in length, 25 base pair in length, and highly homologous in sequence. They flank the T region in a directly repeated origin, okay. Again here VIR gene also present, okay, VIR gene also present, VIR D1, VIR D2, okay, this gene also present. Here how tDNA is transferred from agrobacterium to plant cells. Okay. Here in a TI plasmid, VRA to VIRH genes are present. Okay, here VIRA, VIRG, VIRH, okay, A, B, C, D, E, okay, genes are present which are important for the transfer of foreign DNA into the cell. Okay, see here in this diagram, this is a plasmid vector, this is a foreign DNA, okay, this is a foreign DNA. Here with using same restriction endonuclease we have to cut the foreign DNA and plasmid DNA, okay. After the cutting foreign DNA, there will produce cohesive end, okay, in both DNA, in a plasmid DNA and in foreign DNA, okay. After that you have to ligate, okay. Due to the cohesive end, it get inserted, foreign DNA inserted into the plasmid, okay. Ligation is occur. After that chimeric plasmid is produced, okay. This is a recombinant plasmid, okay. This is a recombinant plasmid. See in this diagram, TI plasmid tDNA, okay. This is agrobacterium tumefacin which is attached to the plant cell where wound is present, Okay, wound is present, only tDNA is transferred into the plant genome, into the chromosome. Okay, you always remember here, this is the diagram, this is the image, this is the image of crown gall. This is a tumor like growth is our tumor like overgrowth is produced in a plant. Okay, this is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Okay, from this bacteria which is found in a soil, in a field. Okay, tDNA is isolated, this is a tDNA. Whatever the virulent genes, oncogenes like that, or unwanted genes, some unwanted genes are removed from the Ti plasmid. It is in the plant transformation, Ti plasmid not taken as it is. Okay, we have to remove some unwanted genes. Okay, then after, for desired gene or foreign gene is isolated from the Agrobacterium, isolated from the Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, here isolation of plasmid and foreign DNA is also occur. After that, insertion of foreign gene into the plasmid using restriction enzyme and DNA ligase is occurred in this step, in this step. Okay, here recombinant plasmid is produced. Okay, you have to transfer this recombinant plasmid into the Agrobacterium cell. Okay, after transferring the Agrobacterium, after the transferring of recombinant plasmid into the Agrobacterium, after the selection of transformed Agrobacterium cell, okay, you go for the co-cultivation of plant cell and recombinant Agrobacterium tumefaciens cells. Okay, what will happen? Whatever the explant which has the wounds which are produced by artificial pricking, by pricking or by artificial method or by pricking. Okay, from the wounds of explant, secretions comes out, and in this secretion there is a present acetosyringon which attract the Agrobacterium. Agrobacterium get attached to the wound region, to the wound of the plant, and here Agrobacterium transfer the tDNA which carry the desired gene into the plant genome. Okay, after the selection, after the screening of the transgenic plant, okay, you go for the, when you get the transgenic plant, then you go for the regeneration, you go for the regeneration, or you go for the callus induction, you go for the shoot induction, you go for the root induction, then hardening. Okay, and you can transfer it into the field. Okay, in this manner you can produce the transgenic plant. Okay, in this manner you can produce the transgenic plant. Okay, these are the some important point related to the transgenic plant. Thank you.